Hey everybody, welcome back to another week of Too White. Hey Johnny, isn't it your birthday tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Isn't that the present I got you?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Awesome. So yes, it is Johnny's birthday tomorrow, and I got him the brand new El Cajon EC10 from Long and McQuaid. Johnny, tell us about your present.
Beth came over maybe 45 minutes ago, and she surprised me with this. It's my birthday tomorrow, so it's a day early, but she thought it was very important to bring it over tonight while we're doing the recording. Video. So I had about a half an hour to play with it. It's got all these different sounds, as you've seen some of that, and I'm absolutely thrilled, and geez, thank you so much.
I love you, Johnny. Okay, so in accordance with that, we've picked a song that I can play on guitar that has kind of a funky beat, so Johnny can play around a little bit. To all of my nerdy friends out there, this was played on one of the episodes of Angel by Christian Kane, and it's called Pretty as a Picture. Gotta go. One world's always one thing. I can't feel the cold. Streets lit without everyone is glistening. This whole world shines so brightly. Thanks for tuning in again. Please do feel free to comment on this video and wish Johnny a very happy birthday tomorrow. Tomorrow. It's not until tomorrow.
This might come out tomorrow, though.
That's true.
Who knows?
But yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and we love you. See you next week.